Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, knowing that he which raised up the Lord Jesus shall raise up us also by Jesus, and shall present us with you. What's up fam, it's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing this wig that I got from Amazon. It is 200% density. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. It's a short curly wig, human hair, very fluffy, and it comes with all those details like them eyelashes, sis, yes. And it also came with the wig caps, so I'm loving that. And this is the unit, guys. Look at how shiny and bouncy and curly. So it comes in detailing as in it's pin curled, so that's pretty much the look of it. Now it does come with clips in the back and clips in the front. And right there, I'm just showing you how to adjust your straps, just in case it's big head friendly or small head friendly. So you adjust to your liking. The two combs are actually for your sides. So let's get started. Now y'all, I absolutely love the way it looks just like that. It looks like you just came out of the salon and you got your hair pin curled and you're ready for your day. But it's so easy to fluff out. So right there, I'm just showing you that you want to adjust the tabs to your head because, you know, you don't want to put the wig on backwards. So yes, let's get to fluffing. Oh my goodness, I just used my fingers. I did bring a wide tooth comb for the video, but it was just so easy to fluff out with my fingernails that I said, well, you know what? This is what we're doing. As always fam, you already know your girl is going to leave the links in the description box down below. But yes, this wig is fire. Like, I absolutely love this wig. And I hope you guys are enjoying this and you guys pick one up too. Because look at it. It is so amazing. Yes. Do y'all see the bounce and fluffiness of this wig? Like, baby, this wig. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. You already know your girl is putting y'all on, okay? Because this wig is definitely bomb.com. Look at the curls. They're just amazing. They're so bouncy. I absolutely love it. Like, this is just it right here. Like, this wig definitely makes you feel like a model. It's flirty, it's playful, it's fun. It's like so light and airy, super bouncy, super easy to install. Like, I am in love, guys. Totally in love. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I am definitely here for this wig. And I'm gonna need y'all to be here for this wig, okay? Jump on board, get on that bandwagon, sis. Go ahead and get in that description box and pick you up one, baby. Alright fam, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it like I did, because this hair, honey, when I tell you. But y'all already seen it, so y'all know. Make sure y'all comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to get your wig, sis. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.